Good day, I'm Sir Bren, and in this topic we will find the domain, range, vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the inverse of the function f of x is equals to 3x over 2x minus 5. Okay, first we will do the domain of the function. So domain of the function, ang gagawin natin yung ating numerator, we equate it to 0 to find its restriction. So 2x minus 5 is equals to 0, and then negative 5 to the other side kasi we will solve for x. So divide both sides by 2 para ma-isolate yung x sa kaliwa. So we have x is equals to 5 halves. So ito yung ating restriction, 5 over 2. Therefore, the domain of the function is the set of all real numbers x should not be equal to 5 halves, where x should not be equal to 5 halves. Next is to find the range. No, dito tayo. To find the range of the function. So remember our lesson sa rational functions. This is, by the way, a rational function. No, ito. We will do the this method. No, yung ating mga rules. If the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, ito yung condition. This is, by the way, yung lesson natin sa rational functions. So you can watch that. So we have three conditions. So pag n is greater than m, there's no horizontal asymptotes. Dito makikita natin, no, sa ating given na the degree of the numerator is 1, no, and the degree of the denominator is also 1. So ang condition is this one, no, n is equals to m, 1 is equals to 1. Therefore, yung y natin, kunin natin yung coefficients nila. So we have 3 over 2. Ibig sabihin, our answer here, y is equals to 3 over 2. Therefore, the range of the function is y is a set of real numbers except is not equal to 3 halves. Next step is to find the domain of the inverse function. Sabi nga natin, yung domain of the inverse function, we can refer that here, which is the range of the original function. Therefore, we can write domain of the inverse function as is the set, x is the set of all real numbers except x should not be equal to, so titingin tayo dito sa sa range, yung 3 halves. Okay, so yan siya. Ito, papalitan lang natin ng x kasi domain yung hinahanap natin. Now, to find the vertical asymptote of the inverse function, we change f of x into y, ng ating original function. F of x, ito, no, change to y, and then copy 3x over 2x minus 5. Kukunin natin yung inverse nito, and then interchange x and y. Yung y magiging x, yung x magiging y. And then solve for y in terms of x. Multiply both sides by 2y minus 5. So distribute natin dyan, magiging x times 2y minus and then dito sa right side makakancel ito, matitira dito is 3y. And then simplify by distributing. This becomes x times 2y is 2xy. X times negative 5 is negative 5x is equals to 3y. Pagsamahin ng mga may y sa kaliwa and then transpose yung negative 5x sa kanan, so magiging 2xy minus 3y, positive maging negative sa kaliwa, and then yung negative magiging positive, so magiging 5x. And then factor out y. This becomes y times 2x minus 3. Ilabas natin yung y. And then, to isolate y, divide both sides by 2x minus 3. Makakancel to. Therefore, y is equals to 5x over 2x minus 3. Now, to get the vertical asymptote of the inverse, we equate the denominator to 0. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. 2x negative to the other side becomes positive. Therefore, divide both sides by 2. X is equals to 3 halves. Therefore, the vertical asymptote of the inverse function is x is equals to 3 halves. To get the horizontal asymptote of the inverse function, mag-refer tayo dun sa range of the inverse function. Find the range of the inverse function. Titingnan natin yung domain of the inverse function. Ito. So, the answer here is x is equals to 5 halves. Therefore, the range of the inverse function, y is the set of all real numbers except y should not be equal to 5 halves. And then our horizontal asymptote of the inverse function, therefore, is y is equals to 5 halves. Again, yung ating vertical asymptote of the inverse function is x is equals to 3 halves, and then yung ating horizontal asymptote of the inverse function is y is equals to 5 halves. Thank you very much. Hope you have learned from this lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Sir Bren. Thank you very much and keep safe. God bless.